Good morning. Welcome back to the Retirement Report. I'm Hank Parrott, your host. Okay, we're going to quickly go through this part about the ILIT I mentioned. So, Russ, let's talk a little bit about that strategy and how we get it set up.
Well, you have an IRA where you take the money out. Instead of allowing it to just stay until you hit 72, you start taking the money out when you can, penalty-free. Use those funds to buy an insurance policy on your life. The policy is not owned by you. It's owned by a trust that you set up. That way, you're replacing the IRA that's a taxable asset with a life insurance death benefit that's a non-taxable asset. It's in trust, so it's out of your estate, and it can pass on in the trust to the kids, protecting those assets from their creditors without having to push it out to them through the conduit trust or accumulation or however, these problems we've been dealing with.
So this is a great strategy. Again, we talked about Roth conversions. This is an ILIT, that strategy. These are ways that you can take these taxable assets and turn them into tax-free assets. And think about one of the things when we're weighing that, we're saying, well, what tax bracket are you in now? If you're implementing one of these strategies, we want to, of course, keep you in a lower tax bracket. And we're comparing that to what tax bracket your children might be in based on their incomes, and in particular when they inherit these monies and have to take it out at that shorter period of time, how that would work. And by the way, with a Roth, I'll share another quick strategy with you. If you do these Roth conversions and we turn it into a Roth IRA, right, you get this 10-year rule. The 10-year rule is kind of cool in this way, at least. We don't have to take it out every year. We could wait until the end of the 10-year period. So imagine now I got a Roth IRA I'm inherited. I just leave it in there for the full 10 years, maximize that tax-free growth. Now at the end of the 10 years, I just take it out tax-free, right? So another strategy, a great way, because what do we want to do? We want to minimize taxes. There's no reason to pay more than you're legally required simply because you don't know the rules is where this normally comes in. So this is a great opportunity to get some strategies done for you. Again, if you need some help with that, just call my office. The number is 615-376-5325. Russ, again, been generous enough to offer up a free consultation for you. He normally charges $400 to do those. Take advantage of that as well. We can arrange the meeting if you call the office, 615-376-5325. And when you come in to see me, free copy of my book, 7 Steps to Financial Freedom in Retirement. All right, I hope this has been helpful for you this week. We try to get as much in to be a benefit to you as we can. And I hope you'll join me here each and every week on the Retirement Report.